Alright guys, we are back on the GTI. I'm just super excited. The farther I get on the car, I just get more excited about it. So I just washed it up. It's been a while and it was just getting really dirty. I'm not even driving on the roads, but hey, at least it looks good sitting here. So on the agenda for tonight, I got some shot tires here. So I'm gonna put 2 tires on. I'm really excited about that because I haven't changed any tires in a while. Just gonna clean the inside of the wheels and just go over the wheels real good. I'm gonna pull them all off, check brakes real good, just kind of clean up the wheel wells. Just really clean it up real good. We'll see how much I get done tonight, but I want to get some more maintenance stuff done. So yep, we'll see how late I feel like working. So let's get started. Got them there tires on and looking good. I used to change tires almost every day, so that was something fun to do again because it's been a long time. I also just washed them up, scrubbed them real good. They're gonna need some more work, but for now, yeah, looking really good. Also cleaned the barrels, which, yeah, far from mint, but for their age and everything, super happy with them. So yeah, we'll get them on the car here. I'm also gonna change the oil and get it back down on the ground. I think that'll be all for tonight, but just coming together very, very good. There is just a ton of oil buildup here. You can see that there were some leaks and stuff going on there, but surprisingly, it's actually not really leaking right now. So that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna clean this up right here. Get rid of some of that sludge here so it looks nicer, but overall, yeah, it looks really good. Also, just this oil, like, I don't know when this was changed, but considering the car sat for 10 years, it looks super clean. Alright, got the oil in here. I must say, this dipstick is just really interesting. If that'll focus, hello? Yeah, it's just kind of interesting how it feels like it should like pop in there, but it doesn't really like go, and it just kind of sits on there, which I guess is how they are. I don't know, I never had one, so I guess we're good. But yeah, it's still just crazy to me how like simple it is in here. This whole fuel system is really odd, but yeah. Pretty cool. So just gonna put the wheels back on, put some tire shine on there, and I think that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. But yeah, we're just getting really close, guys. Also guys, when people do rotors, please put these screws back in, because it's really annoying. Because on normal cars it doesn't matter, but you know how Volkswagens are, you got the lug bolts. So come on guys, always stick the screws back in there, because now when you're trying to stick the wheel on, the whole rotor's trying to spin on you, and it's just a pain. So please do it properly. So gotta stick some of those in there so I don't need to deal with this. It just makes putting wheels on a pain, you know, because it's already a pain with these. And of course, cannot ever skip the tire shine. That's right. Alrighty guys, got the car on the ground, oil change, some new tires on there, and just the car looking good, just cleaned up again, and I'm just super excited. The closer I get, I just get pumped. Like, yeah, we're getting so close now. As the last several weeks, we're still waiting on some paperwork so I can get the whole title, registration stuff done right, but hey, at least then I can drive it legal and illegal on the road instead of just around the block like I've been doing a little bit here and there. And yeah, I don't like doing that. So yeah, really soon the car is going to be on the road. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys next time for more Mark 1 fun. Peace!